Okay guys, and welcome back to my channel. Toyota Yaris now available with a more powerful hybrid powertrain. The Toyota Yaris has been well received in many European countries such as Greece and France. One of its reasons is due to its impressive gas mileage due to its hybrid system. Now there is a more powerful Yaris hybrid, and it will be sold alongside the less powerful Yaris Hybrid 115. The Yaris Hybrid 130 uses a naturally aspirated 1.5-liter engine with electric motor producing 130 PS and 185 Nm of torque. As a reminder, the Yaris Hybrid 115 produces 116 PS and 141 Nm of torque. It will do 0 to 100 km per hour in 9.2 seconds and emit between 96 and 116 grams per kilometer of carbon dioxide. The Hybrid 130 will be standard on Premiere Edition and GR Sport trim. Inside is a new 12.3-inch digital cockpit, and for the first time in a Yaris, Toyota Smart Connect multimedia system. Also featured is Toyota Teammate Safety and Driving Assistant feature, including pre-collision system, emergency driving stop system, safe exit assist, and more. A smart digital key is also offered, which is app-based. Other reservation for select European market will commence online in June. Pricing is not confirmed yet.